Hi everyone, this is Miss Brenner. I hope you're all doing well and staying happy and healthy. Today we are going to be taking a tour and talking about how you access our Schoology page. So the first thing you want to do is go to the Mannheim Central School District page, which looks like this. After you get to our main page, you are going to scroll down and find the Learners tab. You're going to click on the Learners tab and it's going to take a second to reload. And then this is where you can find all of our quick links for our students. So if you need information about health services or the media center, both of those things are linked here, along with Sora, which is our online library. You can see the menus as far as what will be served in the cafeteria. You can also access our Home Access Center, which will update as far as information about number of absences and current grades. Clever is here as well, which is our main hub for all of our technology tools. And here you can see Schoology. So we're going to go ahead and click the Schoology tab, which will bring you to this main page. Now, in this page, you will be able to see all of your courses that you can click on. As our school year for 2022-2023 has ended, I'm going to have to go to my archived in order to pull up my courses. So I'd click courses, go to my courses, and then go and open my class. So when you open your classes, they will look something like this. You'll be able to see the banner at the top of the Schoology page, which looks like this, with important tools that you can click on for tech support, frequently asked questions, class calendar. Clever is linked here as well as if you need to email me for something, you can click on that here. As you can see, I have office hours linked. In order to come and speak to me during office hours, which are after school, you would come to this Zoom session, which is linked in this folder. I also post announcements for class at the top here. So every 3 weeks, we have a rotation of cleaning out late work. If you have missing assignments from the past 3 weeks, you want to make sure you have it turned in by the appropriate date. That'll be listed in the announcement at the top of the Schoology page. We do track silent reading, and you can find your silent reading logs for specific weeks in the silent reading folder. So every day we read about 20 minutes and we log it. As far as our Barron Nation news, you can find the link to the YouTube channel here. You should watch your Barron news at the beginning of block 2 as far as daily announcements. But if for some reason you come to school late, maybe you had a dentist appointment in the morning, you can always go and watch the Barron news during your study hall time here. This is a link to all of our classroom materials, so everything from online learner expectations to attendance policy, technical support, all of those things can be found here along with our online learning contract. This is important for any student that has a personal computer that is given out by the school district. It goes over anything that is involved with the computer, including netiquette and just personal responsibilities when using the district computers. If you want to check your grades, you would come over here and click on the Grades tab, and it'll take you right into the gradebook, so that way you can see any of the assignments that have been completed and posted, what your current grade is, what your grade is for the course overall, so putting together 2 marking periods. Let's say you got a 80% in marking period 1 and you want to improve your grade, what you would need to do in order to improve your grade for marking period 2 to get a better grade overall. Alrighty guys, that is everything that I wanted to show you in our online Schoology classroom. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!